Welcome to Prabhat's Special Bulletin.
Every new challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow and make a difference. Together, we have the power to create a positive and inspiring environment for everyone around us. With this thought, I, Vedish Gavande and
I, Divya Mantri,
welcome you all to dive into the latest news and updates from our school community.
Today's headlines are: Prabhat Kids School Akola achieves the first prize in the Mukhyamantri Majhi Shala Sundar Shala Phase 2 competition. Celebrating Connections, a memorable alumni reunion hosted by Prabhat Kids School. Justice Anil Kilor of Mumbai High Court visits to the Prakashwat project. Voting awareness drive by Prabhat Kids School. Ex-students and teachers took voting oath. Prabhat Kids School illuminates the festival with eco-friendly choices.
Now bulletin in detail. In a recently held state level competition, Mukhyamantri Majhi Shala Sundar Shala Phase 2, Prabhat Kids School Akola bagged the prestigious award of 51 lakhs by fulfilling all the criteria of the government among all the topmost schools in Maharashtra. The award ceremony was held on 14th of October 2024 at the Grand Auditorium of the National Centre for Performing Arts, Nariman Point, Mumbai. On this occasion, Prabhat Kids School was given this honour by Chief Minister Mr. Eknath Shinde and School Education Minister Dr. Deepak Kesarkar.
At this moment, along with all the dignitaries of the school, Education Officer Secondary Dr. Suchita Patekar, Principal of District Institute of Education and Training, DIET Akola, Mrs. Ratnamala Khadke, Education Officer Primary, Mr. Ratan Singh Pawar, Block Education Officer Mr. Shyam Rao, Center in charge Mr. Gopal Sure were present. The Principal Secretary, School Education Department of Maharashtra State, Mr. I.A. Kundan, Education Commissioner Dr. Suraj Mandle, Director of Education Planning Mr. Mahesh Palkar, Deputy Director of Amravati Division Mr. Shivling Patwe were also present for the program. The received prize money of Rs 51 lakhs is to be donated to Vachan Prabhat, a social library on wheel drive by Prabhat Kids School.
Celebrating Connections. A memorable alumni reunion was hosted by Prabhat Kids School. The school honors the alumni and the former teachers in the grand event. The school celebrated its recent state level first prize in the Mukhyamantri Majhi Shala Sundar Shala Phase 2 competition with its alumni and former teachers. In their welcoming address, Mrs. Urshali Wagmare highlighted the impactful initiatives that earned the school prestigious award. She acknowledged the invaluable role of alumni and teachers in fostering the school's growth and achievements.
On this occasion, alumni and the former teachers shared their proud feelings in a joyous way. In his closing remarks, Founder Director Dr. Gajanan Nare expressed profound gratitude to the entire Prabhat community. He formally announced the formation of the Prabhat Kids Schools Alumni Association, aiming to enhance engagement with the collaboration in the future endeavors.
Voting is not just a right, it's a responsibility. It's the most powerful tool we have in a democracy. When you vote, you are part of something bigger than yourself. You are taking part in the creation of better tomorrow. In a remarkable event held at Prabhat Kids School, alumni and teachers from 2014 to 2019 gathered to celebrate the school's recent achievement of securing first prize in the Maharashtra state level competition Mukhyamantri Majhi Shala Sundar Shala Phase 2.
Amidst the celebrations, a powerful message of democratic responsibility was conveyed as everyone present took an oath to exercise the right to vote, strengthening India's democratic framework. Founder Director Dr. Gajanan Nare emphasized the importance of voting as a civic duty, urging eligible students to uphold this responsibility and contribute to the nation's democracy. Every student who can vote should do so, not only as a duty but also as a commitment to keep democracy shining brightly, Dr. Nare remarked.
On Sunday, Honorable Justice Anil Kilor of Mumbai High Court paid a goodwill visit to the Prakashwat project. Prakashwat, a project conceptualized by the Justice Anil Kilor, is underway in Murtizapur and Akola. Under this project, pre-coaching classes are conducted for the students, especially for the ZP schools, to prepare themselves for the various competitive exams such as Navodaya and scholarship. Education Department of Panchayat Samiti Akola runs this project with the support of Prabhat Kids School Akola and Anna Pedi project, Center Dapura. This project is supported by Vaishnavi IS, Mr. Shyam Rao, Divisional Education Officer, and Mr. Bandwar sir. The founder director of Prabhat Kids Akola, Dr. Gajanan Nare, in his introductory speech explained how the Akola Prakashvat project was started and how it is functioning. On this occasion, Mrs. Vaishali Gilor, Director, Mrs. Vandana Nare, Education Extension Officer, Mrs. Bhatkar were present on this stage.
Mukhyamantri Maji Shara Sundar Shara Phase 2 first prize winner Prabhat Kids School illuminates the festival Diwali with eco-friendly choices. As the Festival of Lights approached, Prabhat Kids School embraced the opportunity to celebrate Diwali in a way that honors both tradition and the environment. This year, our focus was on sustainability, aiming to reduce our ecological footprint while enjoying the festivities. The motive of the program was to create the awareness among the students as well as in the society about the celebration of eco-friendly Diwali. Before closing this bulletin, we request you to like the bulletin and subscribe our Prabhat's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this bulletin.